Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to find the screen time in this device. How much time you spend on your device you can easily find in this device. For this, go to settings, then scroll down. Here you can see the option apps. Tap on this one, then again scroll down. Here you can see the option screen time. Tap on this one, then you can see the screen time in that how much that you used in your device. So you can see 20 minutes. Today I used 20 minutes. And also you can see what are the applications, how much time they take. You can see settings 18-minute, moto or less than 1 minute, you can see here. Okay, and you can see the 1 week you can see here. So simply in this way you can find the screen time that you spend in your device, you can see here. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.